In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Shopify store quickly. If you're looking to replicate your successful store or create a backup, duplicating your Shopify store is a useful skill to have. Let's dive right into the process and make sure that you can carry this out with ease. First, it's essential to understand why you might want to duplicate your store. Perhaps you're expanding into new regions or targeting different markets, and you want to maintain a consistent brand across multiple storefronts. Another reason could be to create a clone for testing purposes without impacting your live store. Whatever your reason, this guide will walk you through it seamlessly. Let's get started by discussing your existing store data. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your current Shopify store and head over to the admin panel. Once there, take a look at all your store's data, including product listings, customer information, and store settings. It's important to know what you're working with before starting the duplication process. Now, when it comes to duplicating the actual store content, the best and most efficient method is to use a Shopify app specifically designed for this task. There are several options available in the Shopify App Store, such as Repeater or Duplicator for Shopify, that can handle much of the heavy lifting for you. Simply install the app of your choice and follow the in-app instructions to begin the duplication process. These tools will typically allow you to select exactly what you wish to duplicate, whether it's only products, collections, or your entire store data. Next, while the app works its magic, it's a good moment to consider any manual configurations you might need to replicate. Your Shopify theme is a critical element that might require manual handling. Head over to the Online Store section, select Themes, and click on the Actions button next to your live theme. From there, download your current theme file and save it locally to your computer. After you've finished with your theme, check any additional custom settings or integrations that need to be copied over. These can sometimes require manual adjustment in the new store, so having a checklist handy can be useful. Once your duplication task is complete within the app, you'll want to create a new Shopify store to house this duplicated data. Head over to Shopify and start by signing up with a new account for your new store. Then, upload the previously downloaded files, import your data using the app, and reconfigure any manual settings as needed. Lastly, make sure to test everything thoroughly. Verify that your products, customer information, and configurations have transferred correctly, and perform some test transactions to ensure all systems are operational. And there you have it. Duplicating your Shopify store can seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, the process can become straightforward and manageable. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now confident in duplicating your store whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials.